Hello everyone. Thank you very much for allowing me to come in your homes today. I am Miss Carmen from the Pflugerville Public Library. I work there as the Children's Services Coordinator, and today we're doing story time together. We will be doing finger plays and rhymes and singing along and reading one book. Before we get started, I want to thank Jessie Davies, the person who is actually recording this video. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate his help. With that, let's get started with our song, The More We Get Together. Let's review our signs. More, together, happy, your friends, and my friends. You ready? The more we get together, oh, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. Oh, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Very well. Can you do it again with me? Awesome. The more we get together, oh, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. Oh, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Awesome! Hey guys, please join me. We're gonna do an action rhyme with some apples. Can we count them together? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. Just like your fingers. You want to count your fingers with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. En español. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red apples hanging from a tree. The juiciest apples you would ever see. The wind came by. Hey guys, help me out. Ready? And one red apple came tumbling down. Uh-oh, we lost one. Can we count how many apples we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, en español. 1, 2, 3, 4 manzanas. Ready? 4 red apples hanging from a tree. The juiciest apples you would ever see. The wind came by and gave an angry frown. And one red apple came tumbling down. How many apples do we have now? Did you count them at home? How many did you count? 1, 2, 3. Remember the numbers in español? 1, 2, 3. 3 red apples hanging from a tree. The juiciest apples you would ever see. But came the wind and gave an angry frown. And one red apple came tumbling down. How many apples are left on the tree? Only 1, 2. En español, 1, 2. 2 red apples hanging from a tree. The juiciest apples you would ever see. But came the wind and gave an angry frown. And one red apple came tumbling down. And that left us with 1 red apple hanging from the tree. Uno nada más. the juiciest apple you would ever see. But came the wind and gave an angry frown, and that red apple came tumbling down. Oh no, what do we do now? I guess we collect them and take them home and make some apple pie. Alright guys, we're gonna read a book about apples. 10 red apples. Are there any other fruits in the fall that you eat? Have you tried pumpkins? What else have you tried? Okay, tell your grown-up. Very good. So 10 Red Apples by Virginia Miller. And I want to thank Candlewick Press for allowing us to read this book for this online story time. Here we go. 10 Red Apples by Virginia Miller. Are there any red apples here? No. What color are these apples? They are actually green, verdes, right? Can we count them? En español. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both hands you have 10 fingers. 10. In Bartholomew's garden, there is an old apple tree. Una manzana roja. Bartholomew loves the apple tree. 1, 2. Dos manzanas rojas. He loves swinging from its branches. 1, 2, 3 manzanas rojas. And hugging it tight when it rains. 4 manzanas rojas. 1, 2, 3, 4. He loves climbing the tree. 5 manzanas rojas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When little black kitten climbs too high, he and George have to rescue her. And now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red apples. Bartholomew loves hiding under the leaves. Can you see him? Right there. Very good. And how many red apples? ¿Las contamos juntos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Best of all, he loves counting the red apples. George shakes the apples from the tree. Let's count them. How many apples are falling? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 red apples. He puts them into a basket. All the 10 apples are in the basket, are going in the basket. You want to count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 manzanas rojas. And makes them into a hot apple pie. And now you have 0 apples, but 1 hot apple pie. All right, you remember the name of the bear in our book? It was Bartholomew, right? Okay, we are actually gonna do a finger play. I have some bears covering my fingers, but you can just have your hand like this. And let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. En español, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And we are going to say our rhyme. So here we go. 5 little bears sitting on the ground. The first one said, "Let's take a look around." The second one said, "I feel rather funny." The third one said, "I smell honey." The fourth one said, "Shall we climb up a tree?" And the fifth one said, "Look out! There is a bee." Bzzz. So the 5 little bears decided to wait until the bee went away. Very good. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little bears sitting on the ground. The first one said, let's take a look around. The second one said, I feel rather funny. The third one said, I smell honey. The fourth one said, shall we climb up the tree? And the fifth one said, look out, there is a bee. So the 5 little bears went back to their play and decided to wait until the bee went away. The end. Are you guys getting all wiggly and tired? All right, please stand up and do this action rhyme with me. Ready? We clap up high, we clap down low, we jump, 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 and around we go. Up and down, up and down, clap your hands and turn around. Yay! Can we do it again? We clap up high, we clap down low, we jump, 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 and around we go. Up and down, clap your hands and please sit down. We're talking about apples because apples are a fruit of the fall. I don't know why, but that's the way they are mostly thought of. And I have 2 books that I would like you to check out from the library when you get a chance. The first one is Orange Pear Apple Bear by Emily Grant. I love this book. And if you've come to my story times, you know that I read it all the time to you because it's so much fun. Here, it's about shapes and colors and everything, and it's very simple words. 1 word, or I mean 4 words. Orange bear and apple bear, all the book. Check it out. We also have, this is more of a newer book, and this is by Claudia Rueda. She is one of the New York Times best-selling illustrators. And this is Hungry Bunny. In this book, the bunny is collecting apples to make an apple pie, and he goes through a few adventures while he's doing that. I'm not going to tell you about him. You need to check the book out. Thank you guys for joining me today. I want to go over the craft that we had in your kits for today's story time. An apple and a little worm coming out of it. I hope you have a lot of fun putting it together. And don't forget, sign-ups for to get the new materials are happening, so please make sure you get the materials for your October crafts. Very good. Now, let's go ahead and sing our goodbye song, okay? Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon on another day. Goodbye, everyone. So don't forget to join us next week and come back and see the next story time. I'm putting my mask back on, but if you see me around, don't forget to wave hello. Bye, guys.